What do you have there?
112 images of copper in architecture from the Canadian Copper and Brass Development Association.
Great. Will you walk me through it?
I'd be glad to. Copper has a great tradition as an architectural and roofing material. In Europe, roofs dating back to the year 1200 are still in service. In Canada, copper historically has been used on some of Canada's most notable government buildings, churches, university facilities, and public works. Increasingly, it is being used for residential applications, hotels, stores, and other commercial structures. Architects, owners, and builders can choose from a wide variety of systems when using copper. Batten seam and standing seam, flat lock and solder squares, horizontal seam, shingles, and other variations are all commonly used in Canada.
What's happening now with copper?
In the past decade, there has been a dramatic increase in the use of copper for cladding applications, either by adapting existing systems or using prefabricated panels of composite systems. Still, there is a big demand for styles and systems that you would have seen used 100 or 200 years ago. As well, copper is frequently used for gutters, flashings, fixtures, and building hardware, especially for the residential market.
Whenever I see copper in use, I'm always surprised by the many different colors it can have.
You mean the patina?
Pardon?
The patina. Let me explain. As copper ages, a patina is formed primarily by three factors. 1. The location of the project. 2. The type of installation, like a flat or sloped roof or wall system. And 3. Air quality factors such as pollution, seacoast environment, etc. Once formed, the patina is the thin, durable layer protecting the copper and therefore ensuring a long service life.
How long does this process take?
Every location has varying air quality, so timelines will vary too. Even buildings on opposite sides of a building lot can experience different rates of patina formation. But a good rule of thumb is in eastern Canada, the patina will form in 10 to 15 years. On the prairies it can take much longer, and in British Columbia and on the Atlantic coast, about 7 to 12 years.
What if I want a patina now?
Pre-patinated copper is available, or if you prefer a gray appearance, lead or tin-coated copper can also be supplied.
I have 3 questions about copper applications.
Let's see if I can answer them.
So copper looks great. What other reasons make it a material of choice for architects?
Copper offers ease of fabrication and very little maintenance is required throughout an exceptional service life, which is often measured in centuries rather than years.
Hey, I think I can combine my other 2 questions.
Go for it.
Is copper safe, for the environment and for human contact?
In a word, yes. Copper is perhaps the greenest architectural metal in use today, and not simply because of its color. It's among the most recycled and recyclable architectural material available. There's a good chance the copper roof you're speccing had a previous life as electrical wire or plumbing tube or another copper application. And at the building's end of life, any copper that was used is typically recouped and recycled again because it is so easily recycled and valuable. As well, in an exciting development, research exploring copper's inherent antimicrobial qualities may help in the fight against certain pathogens and bacteria in hospitals, food service facilities, daycare centers, and nursing homes.
So copper has interior uses also?
That's an extra question in a different seminar from the Canadian Copper and Brass Development Association.
Excellent. How do I contact them?
That's an extra question I'm glad to answer.